To use App Lock on Realme 14 Pro Plus, all you have to do is go for the settings. From here, scroll down and go into the security and privacy, and then scroll all the way down and go for the App Lock right here. Wait for this to load up, and right here is the switch for the App Lock to turn it on. So let's press this switch, and from here, if you're doing it for the first time, you have to set a privacy password first. So let's go for the settings and set the privacy password right here, and you have to confirm that, you have to retype the privacy password to confirm it, and here you have to enter the security question. You can set up some custom question, for example, and here you have to enter the answer for it, and you can also set the recovery email in case you forgot the question and the password. So let's press confirm, and from here we have the list of all of the applications which we can lock actually. So let's, for example, lock the Facebook application. All you have to do is simply press the switch, and also if you are doing it for the first time, you will be asked if you want to unlock the applications with the biometrics, which is the face data or the fingerprint. So basically all you have to do is simply turn on the switches next to the applications which you want to lock. So that's it. And also to disable the lock, you can see which applications are locked right here, and to disable some locked applications, to disable the app lock for locked applications, you simply have to press this switch, and that's how to do it. Simple as that.